AI benchmark charts just got shattered. DeepSeek V4 flash dropped, and everyone is losing their minds. It's cheap, lightweight, and yet somehow beats massive multi-billion-dollar frontier models. How? Out of 284 billion parameters, only 13 billion run per token. That keeps inference fast and super cheap.
Need to process a full library? It rocks a 1 million token context window with ease.
Developers can set the reasoning effort to low, high, or max to match their budget. The secret sauce? Zero base parameter growth. They completely repost-trained it with GRPO reinforcement learning. Look at DeepSwee! A 645% jump over the previous version! Absolute knockout! Terminal Bench, CyberGym, NL2 Repo, it crushes coding and tool use benchmarks effortlessly. Pennies per million tokens. It costs a fraction of proprietary giants like Claude Opus. How does it handle 1M context? Compressed sparse attention shrinks memory footprint drastically. Built-in DSpark speculative decoding guesses tokens ahead of time for insane generation speeds. Plus, it is completely open weights MIT licensed. Download GGUF or FP8 files right now. But warning, total size is 284B parameters. Running full precision locally needs 160 gigabytes of VRAM. No out-of-the-box Jinja chat template included. You have to wire your own Python wrapper. And in max reasoning mode, it gets super chatterbox verbose. Great for complex logic, slow for simple tasks. Who wins most? Software devs building super cheap autonomous coding agents like Devin. Enterprises can run high-tier agentic workflows at a fraction of standard API rates. DeepSeek V4 Flash drew a brand new kill line for budget AI models. The post-training revolution is here.